And because I selected all the way out here, I have to bring that back here. As you can see, it selected that whole entire area. Now, with the square tool and the polyselect tool or the lasso tool, if we ever want to add to our selection, all we have to do is hold down Shift. And as you can see on my cursor, there's been a little plus sign added. This means that wherever we click, I have to get the poly lasso tool. This means wherever we click, it is now going to add that selection or add that area to our selected area. If we hold down the Options key, we see that we have a little minus sign, which now will take away whatever area we selected. Let's go back to the square tool. When we create a square tool, it's not an exact square when we first start out. In order to get an exact square, we must hold down the Shift key, which will make the square perfect which will make it a perfect square however we scale it. If we also hold down the Option key, it'll pull the selection tool out from the very center we clicked, rather than clicking out this way. You can see it clicks out in all directions evenly. So let me go back and we will rotate this image properly by selecting it. Oh, messed up there a little. But rather than actually rotating it how it is right now, which will leave me with the background, I'm going to copy it. Where's those tools right there? Oh. Apparently I don't have the copy selection tool on. Let me go here. Okay, I can now copy or Command C to copy this tool, and now when I want to paste it, I could hit Paste or Command V, which will bring it up in a new layer. And I will hide the original layer, leaving just the area that I want to alter. So let's hit Command T or go to Transform, and I will rotate this. Oh, probably should have made that -90 degrees to get the exact scale I want, or to get this exact rotation I want. Now it's also not in a good working size right now, so I'm going to scale this down. But as you can see, I have no control over how it's scaling. Well, if we still hold down Shift, it's going to scale it evenly throughout everything. Okay. Now, with our rulers selected, I'm able to click on our rulers and bring down little blue guidelines to let me know which could be used as crop marks or well, in this case, guidelines for how big I'm going to want to make this object. Matter of fact, I'm going to want to move this up here. To make our rulers appear on our crop mark, it's hit Control, in case I'm using a Mac, or Command R to hide or re-import the rulers. Now with these crop marks that I've made, I'm now able to distort my image. Which will now make it more even and square.